All right, so today we're going to be taking a look at the Leviathan V2X PC gaming soundbar. This soundbar features Razer Chroma RGB for dynamic high fidelity stereo, the Razer Audio app and Razer Synapses, and connects with Bluetooth 5.0 for seamless connectivity. So let's go ahead and open up the box so we can get our eyes on this soundbar. So just looking at this, I do want to mention I really love the packaging on here. They did a really nice job with boxing this up. I love the black box that they put this in. It makes the product feel so much more professional when the packaging is done correctly. So if you look on the inside here, you have some instructions right here on the top. You also have a box right here, and this is going to contain your USB cords and also your instruction manual, which is also in black. Then they included a few stickers for you as well. And then the soundbar itself. And that is a good looking soundbar. So you have two speakers that's here on the back. On the bottom is where your plug is. On the top is where your buttons are for control. You have your power button. You have your volume up and down. You have your Bluetooth sync button. Then you also have your source button right here as well. On the bottom, we also have some silicone, so that way this doesn't slip when you put it down on your table. So this soundbar features dynamic audio, which can reach up to 90 dB, not to mention the 14 different lighting modes and the Razer Audio app. This compact design is going to be perfect for sitting right on your desktop in front of your monitor. With a width of 15.8 by 2.8 by 3 inches, it's the perfect size to sit on your desktop. All right, if you look down here at the bottom, you can see the RGB lighting strip, which you can customize and change between different colors and modes. As far as the sound quality, this thing sounds amazing. The bass is nice and thick, the treble is there, and this thing gets pretty loud. So if it's sitting in front of you, it's definitely gonna have a really crystal clear sound for you. So there you go, the Leviathan V2X PC gaming soundbar by Razer. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like and share, and I will see you on the next one.